Are you struggling to make the most out of your Twitter ads? Do you find yourself confused and overwhelmed by the platform's advertising features? You're not alone. Many businesses face these challenges when trying to leverage Twitter as a powerful marketing tool. However, with the right strategies and knowledge, you can turn this confusion into conversion and achieve remarkable results for your business. In this article, we will guide you through 5 easy steps that will help you master Twitter ads and maximize your return on investment. By following these steps, you'll be able to create compelling ad campaigns that resonate with your target audience and drive them towards conversion. Step 1. Define your objectives. Before diving into any advertising campaign, it's crucial to clearly define your objectives. What do you want to achieve with your Twitter ads? Is it brand awareness, lead generation, or direct sales? Defining specific objectives will allow you to tailor your ad strategy accordingly. For example, if brand awareness is your objective, focus on creating engaging content that showcases the unique value proposition of your brand. On the other hand, if lead generation is what matters most for your business at this stage, consider using lead generation cards or promoting gated content that encourages users to provide their contact information in exchange for valuable resources. Step 2. Understand your target audience. To effectively reach and engage potential customers on Twitter, it's essential to understand who they are and what they care about. Conduct thorough research on demographics such as age range, location, interests, and behaviors relevant to your product or service. By gaining insights into their preferences and pain points through social listening tools or surveys conducted within existing customer bases or target market segments can help inform how best tailor messaging so it resonates more strongly with individuals likely interested in purchasing from an organization like yours. Step 3. Craft compelling ad copy. Once you have a clear understanding of your objectives and target audience, it's time to create compelling ad copy that grabs their attention and compels them to take action. Use emotional triggers and persuasive language to tap into their desires or pain points. For example, if you're offering a solution to a common problem in your industry, highlight the benefits of your product or service by addressing how it can solve that problem. Use strong calls to action, CTAs, such as "sign up now" or "limited time offer," to create a sense of urgency and encourage immediate action. Step 4. Utilize targeting options. Twitter offers various targeting options that allow you to reach specific segments of your audience. Take advantage of these features to ensure your ads are shown only to those who are most likely interested in what you have to offer. Geographic targeting allows you to focus on users within certain locations relevant for your business. Interest-based targeting enables you to reach users who have expressed interest in topics related to your product or service. You can also leverage keyword targeting by selecting keywords relevant for your industry, ensuring that users searching for those terms will see your ads. Step 5. Test, track, and optimize. No advertising campaign is complete without testing, tracking, and optimizing its performance continuously. Monitor key metrics such as click-through rates, center, conversion rates, cost per acquisition, CPA, and return on investment, ROI. Experiment with different ad formats, visuals, headlines, CTAs until you find the winning combination that resonates best with your target audience. Make data-driven decisions based on the insights gained from tracking results and optimize accordingly. In conclusion, mastering Twitter ads may seem daunting at first, but following these 5 easy steps will help transform confusion into conversion. By defining clear objectives tailored specifically towards achieving desired outcomes, understanding who comprises one's intended customer base through thorough research, crafting compelling ad copy using emotional triggers and persuasive language, utilizing targeting options available within the platform itself, such as geographic location or interest-based criteria, testing ad performance continually while tracking metrics like center, CPA, ROI, businesses can achieve remarkable results on Twitter. Remember, success with Twitter ads is not an overnight achievement but a continuous process of learning and optimization. By implementing these steps and staying committed to refining your strategy based on data-driven insights, you'll be well on your way to mastering Twitter ads and driving significant conversions for your business.